I don't keep my orchids in a peat substrate. This method prevents them from rotting and getting sick. New leaves and flower buds grow as a result. Remove the orchid from the substrate and clean its roots. They should be clean to avoid transferring mold from the soil. Take a transparent pot or vase. You'll also need a styrofoam egg carton. Use scissors to cut it into small pieces. Since the carton is designed for food storage, it's safe for your plants. This foam absorbs and retains water very well. The orchid will always have slightly moist, not wet roots, which will protect it from rotting. Once you've filled the bottom of the vase, place the orchid in it. Holding it with one hand, fill the container with styrofoam. It should be dense enough around the plant to keep it stable. When planting the orchid, remember that its roots need access to light, so pay attention to this. Next, fill the vase with water. It's best to use soft water, such as distilled or boiled water, not straight from the tap. Leave the orchid for half an hour. After this time, pour out most of the water. The orchid only needs a little water at the bottom of the pot. Finally, I trim the orchid stems, ensuring there are no flowers or dry stems left. I sprinkle cinnamon on the cuts. Cinnamon has antifungal properties. This helps the stem seal nicely and encourages new shoots to grow. If the stem was diseased, cinnamon will prevent further mold or fungus development. It also helps prevent drying out. After a few weeks, you can see new buds and flowers appearing on the branches. While most plants in the bedroom consume oxygen at night, Sansevieria produces it. If we looked at its leaves under a microscope, we would see tiny pores that open at night. They work by absorbing carbon dioxide. The plant stores it and during the day uses it for photosynthesis and produces oxygen. This means it does not take away oxygen at night like many other plants. In addition, Sansevieria helps improve air quality, is very hardy, does not require frequent watering, and tolerates dry air very well. Eggs for breakfast can also nourish your snake plant. Simply crack a few eggs, dry the shells, and grind them into a powder. Sansevieria, also known as the snake plant, is perfect for the home. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also purifies the air from toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. To support its growth, eggshells can serve as a natural calcium-rich fertilizer, promoting healthy cell and root development. Sprinkle dried and ground eggshells over the soil in your Sansevieria's pot once a month, gently mixing them into the top layer of soil. Regular use will help the plant grow new leaves and improve its overall condition, with the natural minerals supporting long-term growth. With this simple trick, your snake plant will not only look vibrant, but will also help improve indoor air quality by absorbing pollutants and producing oxygen even at night.